KOPN stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Kopin Corporation, it's a decent, like a $250 million market cap stock. That's a fancy way to say 250 million. But yeah, like looking at it from a higher time frame, I think that I've already did my fair share of analysis on this. Yeah, I do see some drawings. Perhaps like this. Not MB, but POI. Text-wise, pink. At the time, and then after it crashed though, like this last video was made in February 2024, and that's like such a long time ago. But then it crashed, and then it kept now starting to pick up yet again. And to be very honest with you, I do want to see this, and I do see it taking the new highs out. I like the momentum behind it is just crucial, and it's actually pretty good. We have green earnings. It's not an immediate buy for me though. You know, more so price pulling down a bit deeper. It doesn't even have to come this low. And then if it gives me a double break, I'm going to take things up. So I am most definitely going to continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.